Hello, welcome to this video. What I want to show you is the chess tutor, which is based on the Dutch chess step method training. It contains step 1 until step 5, and I think the contents is really excellent. I still use it for myself. I think it's even better than most of what I could find online. At least that's my opinion. It was on a CD-ROM, and I was able to revive this using a virtual machine. So let me unpause this and let me get back into the virtual machine. So it contains 5 steps. So each step is for a particular level of play. So step 1 is for the absolute beginner, and I think step 5 is around 1800 to 2000 level, and the rest is in between. So let me go into step 1. So this teaches you the basic elements like the board and the pieces, what is made. Let me go into one of the lessons. So each lesson has like an instruction lesson, which explains you the concepts, and then you have several exercises. So let me show you the instruction lesson about mate. So you can click these buttons. So it shows some animation about a supported mate, something about key squares, so diagrams, animation, and explanation. So let me get back. Let me show you the contents of the other steps. Step 2. Unfortunately, everything in Dutch, so I don't know if they created an English version. I think there's also a Windows version. Maybe that is in English. So let me get up to the 4th, and finally the 5th step. So I still use this for myself, especially the explanation about endgame concepts, rook endings, pawn endings. Let me, for example, go to an instruction for a pawn endgame. So which pawn is first on the other side? So you can see how white prevents the promotion for black. Okay, let me go to the end. Let's do some exercises. For example, in the rook endgame, rook game exercise with mate. So for example, this one, I have to play this for white. Let me see. I think if I play this, I think I can mate with d4. Yes, that is good, which is correct. So the difficulty is from 1 until 10. So let me go like for the very difficult one. Let me see, this is for white too. So I would like to mate, but he takes my pawn. What if I play this? There's a check. If I play this, there's a check too. So what do I do? Maybe a waiting move. That seems to work. Now the check is not possible on the file, or on the, it's not horizontally possible. So let me do king e6. Yeah, this is correct. So okay, this was the end of the demonstration, but maybe it's interesting to show you how this is done in VMware. So I created an image of the CD I have. So I have this So in the storage, so this is actually the original CD of which I created an ISO image, and I also added some MS-DOS floppies which I downloaded from Microsoft. I think you can see this here. So this is like the DOS 6.22 image. This also contains the drivers for the CD-ROM. So if you put that together, then it should work. And of course, if you have the CD. So thank you for watching.